North Carolina, Caldwell County in western North Carolina, western Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the Warren area. Locally, up to 2 or 3 inches of rain have fallen since late morning. Additional thunderstorms will continue to develop and move north across the North Carolina foothills this afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lenore, Morganton, Forest City, Rutherford, Sawmills, Granite Falls, Valdez, Spindale, Gamewell, and Boiling Springs, North Carolina. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered roadways, bridges, or low-level crossings. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can carry away your vehicle. It is not worth the risk. Please turn around, don't drown. When it is safe to do so, please report flood waters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks. Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, Caldwell County in western North Carolina, western Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Burke County in western North Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the Warren area. Locally, up to 2 or 3 inches of rain have fallen since late morning. Additional thunderstorms will continue to develop and move north across the North Carolina foothills this afternoon. Some locations.
It is. It got overridden by an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Forest City to 6 miles southwest of Shelby, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Morganton, Valdez, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Drexel, Bellwood, Lawndale, Foston, Polkville, and Allenboro. A tornado watch remains in effect for the Warren area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the Warren area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Catawba, Cleveland.
So close.
Service in Greenville, southwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Burt County in western North Carolina, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Forest City to 6 miles southwest of Shelby, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Morganton, Valdez, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Drexel, Bellwood, Lawndale, Boston, Polkville, and Allenboro. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina.
That was interesting.